Welcome! I am Teacher M. This math tutorial video is focused on limit properties. If you are interested to learn more about this topic, stay and watch the entire video. In this limit properties video series, 8 limit properties will be covered for the entire series. These are constant, identity, scalar, sum and difference, product, quotient, power, and radical property of limit. For this third episode, the video is focused on scalar property. Before you continue to watch this video, it is advisable to learn first the identity property. You may watch it first using the link on the description below, or you may search it using the search tool of YouTube. Scalar property says that the limit of a function with a constant as x approaches c is the product of the limit of the function and the constant, where b and c are real numbers, n be a positive integer, and f and g be the functions with the following limits, L and n. To simplify this property, let's take this example. What is the limit of 2x as x approaches 2? Observe that the numerical coefficient is 2, will be the constant. It will never change regardless where the x value is approaching 2, while the x may vary depending on where the x value is approaching 2. By applying the scalar property, you may factor out 2 and get the limit of the function x. This is how the scalar property applied. To solve the limit completely, you will apply the other properties of limit. In this case, apply identity property to find the limit of x as x approaches 2. We have 2, multiply it to the limit, which is 2, then simplify. Get the product, and we have 4. Thus, the limit of 2x as x approaches 2 is 4. This means that when the x value of the function 2x is getting closer to 2, the function 2x is getting closer to 4. Another example, what is the limit of 1/4 x as x approaches to 4? I'll give you 5 seconds to think and answer this example. To solve this limit, similar steps will be applied here. First, apply scalar property. It brings out 1/4 and take the limit of x as x approaches 4. Again, the scalar property here is the step. To solve this example fully, other properties are needed. To continue, apply identity property to the limit of x as x approaches 4. Next, a product of 1/4, then the limit, which is 4. Take the product, which is 1. Thus, the limit of 1/4 x as x approaches 4 is 1. This means when the x value is getting closer to 4, the function 1/4 x is getting closer to 1. This is how to apply the scalar property of limit to find the limit of a function. The scalar property will be emphasized more on the other videos of limit property. For now, the essential is to understand when and how you will apply this property.